What happens when a lightweight rear-wheel drive sports coupe meets rally-inspired thinking? You get something completely unexpected and honestly pretty refreshing. This lifted Toyota GR86 conversion from Kuhl Racing throws convention out the window and proves that fun does not always have to live close to the ground. At first glance, the stance tells the whole story. The GR86 Outroad sits much higher than the standard car, thanks to a custom suspension setup that raises ride height by about 3.0 inches. For situations where extra clearance is needed, Kuhl also offers a hydraulic lift system that can add another 1.6 inches at the push of a button, then return the car to normal height for everyday driving. It is a clever solution that balances rugged capability with real-world usability. Visually, this build feels far more aggressive than the stock Toyota GR86. Wide fender flares allow for chunkier tires, while redesigned front and rear bumpers improve approach and departure angles. Skid plates, body cladding, and auxiliary lighting push the design straight into rally territory, and roof rails finish the look with a sense of purpose rather than gimmick. Power comes from the familiar 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, but buyers are not limited to factory output. Kuhl offers an optional turbocharger package that bumps performance by 50 horsepower over the stock 232 horsepower rating. With revised cooling and electronic tuning, the Outroad delivers stronger acceleration without losing its balanced character. A manual transmission or an automatic gearbox is available, keeping the experience flexible for different driving styles. What really makes this build special is that it is not a one-off concept. Kuhl plans to sell the Outroad as a complete conversion package, while also offering individual components for owners who want to build their own version. Suspension, aero parts, wheels, brakes, and performance upgrades can all be mixed and matched depending on how far customers want to take the idea. Pricing keeps things surprisingly approachable. A fully built GR86 Outroad will sell for about 4,150,000 yen, which converts to roughly $26,600. The body kit alone is priced at 1,771,000 yen, or around $11,800, while wheels add 440,000 yen, or $2,800. The turbocharger package comes in at 1,250,000 yen, or about $8,300. The GR86 Outroad will make its public debut at next month's Tokyo Auto Salon before going on sale in Japan later in 2026. It is a reminder that creativity in the car world is still alive and well.